Hello friends, I am Zoya. Today's topic is matrices, which is taken from math subject. It is very useful and important topic for inter. So listen carefully and enjoy the subject. Before starting the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. So let's start. What is matrices? The arrangement of numbers in rows and columns. So in prayer you can see some students are standing in rows and columns. Rows means horizontal arrangement. And column means vertical arrangement. In prayer in schools you can see some students are standing in rows wise and column wise. That is called matrices. So arranging something in rows and columns we call it as matrices. For example, I taken 2, 4, 6, 8. Is it a matrix? Yes, because it is arranged in rows and columns. Rows means horizontal arrangement and column means vertical arrangement. So what is the order here? Order means the number of rows and the number of columns. So the number of rows is 1 row, 2 row. 2 into the number of columns 1 and 2. 2 into 2. We pronounce it like 2 by 2, not 2 into 2. And if you will write 2 2s are 4, it is wrong. We have to write only 2 by 2. It is the correct form. This is the order of matrix. Second example, 4, 6, 8, 9, 2, 1, 0, 6, 0. So what is the order here? The number of rows and the number of columns. 1 row, 2 row, 3 row. 3 into number of columns 1, 2, 3. 3 by 3 is the order of matrix. So this is about matrices. In matrices we have many types of matrices based on their order. First one is square matrices. Second one is rectangular matrix. Third one is row matrix. Fourth one is column matrix. This is based on their order, not elements. Elements we can also call numbers. What is square matrix? If the number of rows and the number of columns are equal, so 2 into 2, 2 and 2, the number of rows and the number of columns are equal, it is square matrix. 2, 4, 6, 9, 8, 7, 4, 3, 2. The number of rows and the number of columns are equal. Rows are 3, columns are 3. So it is called square matrix. Second one is rectangular matrix, opposite to the square matrix. So the number of rows and the number of columns are unequal. It means the number of rows here 1 row, 2 row, 3 rows. 3 into the number of columns 1 column, 2 column. 3 by 2. It is rectangular matrix. So the number of rows and the number of columns are not equal. Here it is equal. So what is third one is row matrix. Row matrix means if the number of row is 1. See. The number of rows is 1 and the number of columns 1, 2, 3. What is the order? 1 into 3. If the number of rows is 1 row, so it is called row matrix. Column matrix means if the number of columns is 1, for example 4, 6, 8. Here the number of rows is 1, 2, 3. 3 into number of column 1. So if the number of columns is 1, it is known as column matrix. Now I will tell you the types of matrices based on elements, on the numbers. Now I will tell you the types of matrices based on their elements. So first one is zero matrix. What is zero matrix? If all its elements are 0. The order is 3 by 3. If all its elements in the matrices are 0, it is called as zero matrix. Second one is diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix means a square matrix, means order is same. A square matrix whose a square matrix whose diagonal elements are non-diagonal elements are 0, it is called diagonal matrix. See, diagonal means 4, 4, 3 is the diagonal, and what is the non-diagonal? These are non-diagonal elements. If the non-diagonal elements are 0, it is called diagonal matrix. Third one is scalar matrix. Scalar matrix means a square matrix whose non-diagonal elements are 0 and the diagonal elements are same. 4, 4, 4. Diagonal elements are same and non-diagonal elements are zeros. It is called scalar matrix. Fourth one is unit matrix. Unit matrix means if the diagonal element is 1 and the non-diagonal elements are 0, it is called unit matrix. For example, if they will give the order is 3 by 3 and write unit matrix. So what you will write? You will write unit matrix and 3 by 3 is the order, number of rows and the number of columns. It is called unit matrix. Fifth one is triangular matrix. Triangular matrix. Triangular matrix have two types, upper one and lower one. Upper one means if all its elements above the principal elements are 0. It means below the principal axis is 0. It is called upper triangular matrix. See here one triangle is forming, no? It is called upper triangular matrix. If the Sorry, I have done a little mistake. If the elements are below the principal diagonal, it is forming one rectangle, no? It is called upper triangular matrix. Below the upper triangular matrix, zeros are there. It is called upper triangular matrix. So, the principal diagonal, below the principal diagonal, zeros are there. It is called upper triangular matrix. Lower triangular matrix, opposite to the upper triangular matrix. If the elements below the principal diagonal is 0, so it is forming here, no? Sorry. If the elements above the principal diagonal are 0, it is forming here one triangle, no? Lower. It is called lower triangular matrix. Lower one triangular is forming. So this diagonal above the principal diagonal, zeros are there. It is called lower triangular matrix. Now I will tell you equal matrix. Now I will tell you equal matrix. equal matrix means if they given two values 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 9, 3, 2, 1, 0, 4, 6, 9, 8, 2, 4, 3, 1. If they given two matrix and their order is same, it is called equal matrix. So the order is same, we call it as equal matrix. Now I will tell you addition, subtraction, multiplication of matrices. First one is addition of matrices. So how to add? For example, they given two values 4, 6, 2, 8. A is equals to 4, 6, 2, 8 and B is equals to 6, 2, 1, 0. They are telling find the value of A plus B. How to do? A plus B we have to add. How means 4 plus 6 and 6 plus 2. First row into first column and second row first row into first row, second row plus second column. 4 plus 6, 6 plus 2, 2 plus 1 and 8 plus 0. That is equals to 6 plus 4, 10, 6 plus 2, 8, 2 plus 1, 3, 8 plus 0, 8. This is the addition of matrices. First row into first row, second row into second row. Second row into second row, second row into second. Like this we have to do. Now I will tell you subtraction of matrices. Same like addition only, but we have to subtract. For suppose they given A is equals to 6, 2, 1, 5. B is equals to 3, 2, 1, 4. They are telling find the value of A minus B. Same like addition, 6 minus 3 and 2 minus 2. After that 1 minus 1, 5 minus 4. 6 minus 3, 2 minus 2, 1 minus 1, 5 minus 4. What is 6 minus 3? 3, 2 minus 2, 0, 1 minus 1, 0, 5 minus 4, 1. This is the subtraction of matrices. What is this matrices? Diagonal matrices. The non-diagonal elements are zeros and the diagonal elements are numbers. It is called diagonal matrices. Now I will tell you multiplication. It is somewhat difficult. Addition and subtraction is very easy and some multiplication is somewhat difficult. Don't confuse. Multiplication of matrix. For example, the given A is equals to 2, 4, 3, 5. B is equals to 9, 2, 4, 6. Find the value of AB. We have to multiply. How to multiply means 2 into 9, first row into first column. This is column, no? This is row. So 2 into 9, 4 into 4. 2 into 9 plus 4 into 4. You have to multiply rows into first row into first column, second row into second column. After that, 2 into 2 plus 4 into 6. 2 into 2 plus 4 into 6. After this one, 3 and 5. 3 into 9, 5 into 4. Plus 5 5 into 4. After that 3 into 2 plus 5 into 6. 3 into 2 plus 5 into 6. What is the value? 2 nines are 18 plus 4 fours are 16. 2 twos are 4 plus 4 six are 24. 3 nines are 27 plus 5 fours are 20. 3 twos are 6 plus 5 six are 30. 5 6 are 30. 18 plus 16. 34. 24 plus 4, 28. 20 plus 27, 47. 30 plus 6, 36. This is the multiplication of matrices. You have to multiply 2 into 9 plus 4 into 4. Rows into columns. After 2 into 2, 4 into 6. Don't confuse. Again, some problems I will tell you. If they given two values, a is equals to 3, 4, 5, 6. B is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. Find the value of B value they given. After C value they given 6, 3, 2, 1. They are telling the find the value of A square plus BC. How to do means, first we have to multiply A square. A square is equals to how much? A into A. It means 3, 4, 5, 6 into 3, 4, 5, 6. Multiply this both. How much you will get? 3 3s are 9 plus 4 5s are 20. 3 4s are 4 3s are 12 plus 4 6s are 24. 5 4s are 20 plus 6 6s are 36. 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15 plus 6 5s are 30. 5 4s are 20 plus 6 6s are 36. 20 plus 9, 29. 24 plus 12, 36. 15 plus 30, 45. 36 plus 20, 56. This is the value of A square we got. They are telling BC. BC means we have to multiply. 1 6 are 6 plus 2. 1 6 are 6, 2 2s are 4, 1 3s are 3, 2 1s are 2. 3 6 are 18 plus 4 2s are 8. 3 3s are 9 plus 4 1s are 4. That is equals to 6 plus 4 10. 3 plus 2 5. 18 plus 8 26. 9 plus 4 13. So we got the value of A square also and BC also. Here what we have to do? Plus we have to do. A square plus BC. A square we got how much? 29, 36, 45, 56 plus BC value 10, 5, 26, 13. 10, 5, 26, 13. Add this both. You will get the value of A square plus BC. 29 plus 10, 39. 36 plus 5, 41. 45 plus 26, 71. 56 plus 13, 49. We got the value of 56 plus 13. 69. got the value of a square plus bc. Once again I am telling a square. you have to multiply A into A. 3, 4, 5, 6 into 3, 4, 5, 6. You have to multiply 3 3s are 9, 4 5s are 20, 3 4s are 24, sorry 12, 4 6s are 24. Add. You will get the value of A square. After that, BC. B into C you have to same like this, you have to multiply. After that, add this both, you will get the value. Hope you will understand. Next problem. I forgot to tell you one topic that is transpose. Transposing of matrices. So how to transpose means, if they given some value 2, 9, 8, 7. How to transpose means, the rows will be there, no? It will change into column. Rows change to column and columns will change to rows. 2, 9. 2 and 9 it is one row. So we have to change into column. 2 and 9 it is came one column. And 8 and 7 one row is there. So it changed to one column. So this is transpose of matrices. Again I will tell you 4, 3, 6, 4, 6, 2, 0, 1, 0, 9, 8, 2. What is the transpose of this matrix? 4, 6, 2 will change to column. 0, 1, 0 will change to one column. 9, 8, 2 will change to a column. See, 4, 0, 9 will change to a row. 6, 1, 8 row, 2, 0, 2. This is transpose of matrix. Now I will tell you singular and non-singular. If they give some value 4, 3, 2, 1. What is singular means? It is not equals to 0. It is called singular. If it is equals to 0, that is non-singular. So how to find this is singular or non-singular? You have to cross multiply. 4 1s are 4, 2 3s are 6, minus 6, that is equals to minus 2. Minus 2 is not equals to 0. So it is singular. Inverse of matrix. What is inverse of matrix? One formula is there. 1 by AD minus BC, D minus D minus C, A. This is one formula of inverse of matrix. So 1 by AD. This is 4, 3, 2, 1. A, B, C, D. AD. 4 3s are 12. Sorry, 4 1s are 4 minus BC. 3 2s are 6 minus 2. 1 by minus 2. What is D? 3. Minus B. Minus is there. So minus 3. Sorry, D value is 1. Minus C. Minus 2. A. 4. This is the inverse of matrix. 1 by minus 2. Minus into minus plus. Minus into plus is there. So minus 1. Minus into minus plus 3. Minus into minus plus 2. Minus into plus. Minus into plus minus. So this is the, if you don't write plus also, nothing will happen. This is the inverse of matrix. Hope you guys understand the topic of matrix. Thank you.